Hi, this is Max. We are at Toktogul reservoir in the Kyrgyz Republic, Central Asia. This is a very stunning place. It looks like a big lake. There are some lakes that are smaller than this reservoir. It is here because of the hydroelectric power plant called Toktogul one. It is nearly 400 kilometers away from Bishkek, and it's very warm. It's about a one-day drive. Just look at the scenery around. There are some nice fried fish restaurants here and a good hotel. All surrounded with mountains. It's super warm water. And see you on one of my tours.